Hush, little baby, don't say a word. Daddy's gonna buy you a mockingbird. And if that mockingbird won't sing, Daddy's gonna buy you a diamond ring. And if that diamond ring turns brass, Daddy's gonna buy you a looking glass. And if that looking glass gets broke, Daddy's gonna buy you a billy goat. And if that billy goat falls over, Daddy's gonna buy you a dog named Rover. And if that dog named Rover won't bark, Daddy's gonna buy you a horse and cart. And if that horse and cart fall down, you'll still be the cutest analisa in town.